Okay. Pushing pushing through isn't strength. It's survival mode. Have you really ever thought about that? Just pushing through, what it really means? Um, I see too many women living in survival mode, dragging through the day, wired at night, and calling it normal. Like that's how it's supposed to be. I mean, is that what you want? That's not normal. It's your body out of balance, and that's what I want to talk about today. If you're new to me, I'm Claudette, 61 plus, and I've lived through caregiving, loss, rebuilding a household solo, healing my body after years of ignoring it, ignoring the warning signs. And the one thing I knew for sure, um, I wasn't going to settle for exhaustion, being normal anymore. I had had enough. Um, Being exhausted to be exhausted is exhausting. I mean, just what it comes down to. Um, so you've heard me share about those years, shoveling snow, mowing lawns, holding down work, caregiving, keeping everything afloat. I just told myself, this is just midlife. Just push through. You're okay, Claudette. You can get there. But here's the truth. Pushing through isn't strength. It truly is survival mode. A survival mode has a cost. Have you thought about that? When I finally started to heal, supporting my gut, calming my stress hormones, actually listening to my body, everything shifted. I didn't wake up with dread anymore. Nights weren't endless battles with myself. And I realized it wasn't broken, it was just out of balance. And needed to start listening. So most of my health advice out there looks like this. That's how it was, right? Drink more coffee, power through fatigue, medicate the symptoms, accept the exhaustion. It's just aging. That's a big fat no. I've lived through burnout. Why would I settle for burnout as my future? It's not a thing. What I needed was different. I needed flexibility, daily steps that fit real life, simplicity, small shifts that actually stick, alignment, something that supports health, not just masking the symptoms, community, people walking the same walk, the same road, not doing alone. And that's what I built into Step into Balance 5 days, a way to reset together. So let me give you a glimpse of what balance looks like in real life. It works with your body, not against it. If mornings are groggy, you'll learn a way to reset them gently instead of shocking your system. It doesn't demand perfection. Some days you'll feel strong, some days you won't. The steps keep working because they're designed to support you, not punish you. It leaves room for real life. Doctor's appointments, grandkids, caregiving, curveballs. Balance doesn't collapse the moment life gets real. Of course, then again, life is real every day, right? So that's why I don't use the word hustle in health. Hustle is what burned me out. Balance is what brought me back. So here's what I want you to hear today. You don't have to accept exhaustion as your normal. You don't have to push through just to prove you're strong. You can step into balance, calm, steady, and supported. So here's what I'm inviting you into. On September 28th, so next weekend, this coming weekend, Sunday, I'm leading a private 5-day inside my group, the Ageless Adventurers. It's called Step into Balance. And each day will focus on one simple step you can practice. This isn't about being perfect or racking up big numbers. It's about paying attention, noticing your steps, your energy, your balance, your focus, clarity, and giving yourself space to reset. Think of it as a 5-day experience. Like, it's not a program to win, but a chance to learn what balance looks like for you with support along the way. Now, if you'd like to join us, drop the word STEP below, or do it in the DMs, that's fine. And I'll get you the invite to the group. And that's where the full 5 days will happen. So remember, survival mode isn't strength. It's a warning light, like huge red light. If you're going to build a rooted and rising lifestyle that you love, your health has to carry you there. You're not too late, you're not behind, and you don't have to settle for exhaustion as normal. So let's step into balance together. So again, in the comments, you will see a pinned comment where you can just click to ask to join the group, or just send me a DM. And for those who are watching the replay, please hashtag replay. And I want to hear all your comments. I want to hear your questions about it. There's no cost, it's free. And I look forward to sharing that with you, the different things that I've learned and the things that I've been learning, and different things that I've, books I've been listening to, or, just life's path, right? And let's share together, and let's grow together, and be strong, and love ourselves, and where we are, and where we need to move, where we want to move to, where we want those lifestyles to be. So I look forward to adding you into Step into Balance, and growing healthier together. So again, Claudette Eames, and thanks for being here, and I look forward to sharing more.